Hello everyone, Terry here from my North Texas garden. I don't know if you can see them or not, but the cedar waxwings have migrated in and they are eating the berries on the trees. They love the berries on the trees. They're really pretty birds too. Wish I could get a good view of one of them. Well, I can't get a good close-up of any of them, but anyway, they are so pretty. But boy, I mean, they love the those berries on those trees. They come in all the time and just clear it out. All right, everybody, have a beautiful, blessed day. God bless, and please subscribe. Take care. Thank you.